What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Still in the Camarillo Outlet, you guys. There is an Adidas Outlet, so I haven't done Adidas Outlet vlog in quite some time. So I thought it'd take some time to do one. Let's go see what's up. I've been saying that I think that the deals at Footlocker are better than the Adidas Outlet. Let's go find out if that's true. They do have 50% off a bunch of stuff. Let's see what's up. This is usually one of the best Adidas outlets. Usually got more selection here than most other spots. See what we see, guys. See what we find. See, as I suspected, you guys, there's 50% off most of the store, but these are excluded. So $120 for these. We've been seeing a lot of these at Foot Locker for under $100, man. More Ultra Boost 20s. More of these. These are the Ultra Boost 20s going for $120. $120 for these. Ultra Boost 20s. This is a SB. I don't know which one the SBs are, but it is an Ultra Boost 20 SB. Don't know what that is. Let me know if you guys know. Oh, I think that's in the wrong spot. I think these are the PBs, the Ultra Boost PBs. I think that's the personal best. So it's like the running version, like the extra running version, I guess. More 20s, more Ultra Boost 20s. Ultra Boost SNLs, that's the suede and leather. The more 20s. The summer ready ones. Yep, more summer readies. Oh, okay, I don't know what these are going for. Maybe these are $180 and then you do get that 20% off maybe. These are the SNLs. That one apparently is a $120, so I guess the same as that one. Dang, these are all $120. Dang, all these are a lot more than Foot Locker. That's super interesting. Dang. Alright, we finally do see stuff that's 50% off. These are the SL20s, but it has light strike, does not have boost. Same for these bad boys. Got some Sense Boost Goes. I know these are pretty comfortable. This has that full length boost. These are going for $60, so not too bad. The Alpha Boost, kind of a peach colorway, going for $90. There's only a couple different sizes, you guys. Yeah, man, I have no clue what these are. The Astrariums. More of those. Man, I need to get back to a Foot Locker, because, yeah, those are the Adidas outlets right now, man. Damn, these are kind of mediocre. What the hell is this, you guys? The Edge Runner? I have no clue what these are. No, running shoes? I don't know. But go for $80, 50% off of that. The Adidas, I guess that's a really good deal. $12.50 for these. $17.50 for these. $12.50. I guess the Adidas slides are really good. These are super comfortable. It does have cloud foam, so these are actually better than the Boost slides that I've tried on. Wow. Alpha Bounce, these are going for $50. It does say excluded from discount right there. $50 for these bad boys. Couple different colorways. The top of the line cleats, $225. You do get 50% off for those. That is the Predator Mutator 20s. And those names are getting crazy long. These are the Predator 20.3 FGs. Yeah, the names just need to get better. 50% off, $80, so $40, not too bad. Okay, so it is worth it for some people, I guess, who like Adidas basketball shoes, because these are going for $65, $130. You do get 50% off. This is the Pride version, I guess. Harden Volume 4s. You got another one. They only have 7 through 9 though. What the heck is this? Oh, the Harden Step Backs going for $40. That's pretty solid. Very limited sizing. Another Step Backs going for $40. Dawn issue 1s, now that the 2s are out, going for cheap, $50. They only have size 8 through 11 half though. Got a couple colorways. None of them standing out too much, to be honest. Okay, might be the best one. It's pretty dope. Got the spider logo on it. Pretty cool. And then dude got some Dame 6s. These are going for $55. Actually, that's a hell of a deal. Damn. Got some of the old school. These are the Rogueras. $65, and you get that 30% off. They have a few different colorways in those. A couple different colorways, my bad. The Grand Courts, these are pretty old school. The Advantage, leather's not the greatest, but super durable. Only $30, man, not too bad. Night Joggers, $50 after the discount. Oh, they do have a lot of those, $50. When I say these, we see a lot. I want to say we saw these cheaper at Foot Locker too, though. $50 for these. The Tusk Runs, we've seen these as low as $20. Yeah, they're going for $40 here. More Night Joggers, $50. So you got the Superstars. This is the Pride version, 50% off, $70. That's not too bad. All right, I was like, this is not white. Got like some shapes on it or something. I don't know. That's going for 90. You do get 50% off. Dude, these are dope. I don't like, if the colorway was better, these would be awesome. But yeah, that name, what the heck? Stat? I don't know. Alright, I don't want to compare everything to Foot Locker, but these were cheaper than $40 at Foot Locker. The Stan Smiths, I remember them going for cheaper. I think they were $29.99. They have a couple different colorways. Still going for $40. These are size 11. The Dawn issue ones. Going for $50 after the discount. Not too bad. The Tresk Run, size 8.5, going for 40. Night Jogger, size 11.5. That's going for 35. Are these the ones that I said, hey, they look kind of interesting? The Gazelles, size 11, go for 60 after a discount. Got some Superstars. Are these the Pride ones that we saw earlier? Okay. Harden Volume 4s, all black ones, size 11, go for $1.30. Do get 50% off. Got some Night Joggers right here. Go for $100, so 50% off of that. All right, let's see what's going on in the women's section real quick. We got the Sense Boost Goes. These are going for $50 after a discount. Okay, here's the Ultra Boost. I was looking for Ultra Boost. DNAs right here, going for $1.20. More Ultra Boost SNLs, going for $1.20. Ultra Boost 20s, same price. The Sense Boost Goes, going for $60. More Sense Boost Goes. Energy Falcon X, what the heck is that? Got the Focus Breathe In. Man, what's up with these names? What's up with these silhouettes I've never seen? $50 for these. Got the knee keys. These do give you full length boost, but these are going for $40. I swear we've seen these for cheaper at some of the retailers. Those are going for $35 after the discount. $40 for these after the discount. These are the Night Joggers. Forest Grove. Oh, these are like the marathons, but the bottom's like super rock hard. $40 for those. EQT Gazelles. $55 for those after the discount. More of those. Those are $40 after a discount. Damn, they got no boost. No boost for the women. Man, this selection here just is terrible. Alright, we did find some NMDs. These are going for $65. This is the Star Wars collab. Who is that on the top though? I don't know Star Wars that well. Yeah, $65 for those. These are going for $65 as well. Is that Princess Leia before they knew? I don't know. Yeah, $65 for those. Regular NMDs going for $50 after a discount. Superstars, they got a flower or something on them. $35 for those. These are pretty cool. These are only going for $30. More Superstars, $35. And those are going for $30. Got quite a few sizes on all of them. Another Superstar, another $35. These are the nubuck type. The nubuck is kind of tough though. It's not a quality nubuck. But yeah, $35 for those. Stan Smith's going for $40. Rivalry Lows. The leather's actually pretty soft on these. $30 for these. And then what is this? Are you serious? You serious? Those are just terrible looking. The color and the shape. Weird. Those are going for $35 after a discount. This is the kids section. We saw these going for what, $30? $30 at the retailers, and now they're going for $90 and you get 50% off, so $45. Those as well. Man, dude, the deals just aren't there, you guys. Kind of what I predicted. I kind of predicted that Foot Locker would be cheaper, and yep. Foot Locker and the retailers are cheaper with the Adidas products right now. That's about it, you guys. That's about it. Should I even do an outro? Because that's kind of about it, man. Kind of disappointing. All right, we are looking. You know what? I'm gonna try to find something, you guys. These are some hoodies, pretty soft. $35 for these. Normally $70, going for $35. More hoodies. This normally goes for $55, 50% off of that. All their stuff is 50% off all their clothing. So this is $50 regularly. These are normally $45, so not too bad price on the apparel. Not too bad. I think I covered these last time, but yeah, I do got these jerseys. LAFC jerseys going for what, $85 and they're 50% off. Do got plenty of sizes. Generic Adidas jersey, I guess. $30 for these, 50% off. LAFC hoodies, $35 for those. That's actually pretty dope. You get 50% off all that. Not bad. They got Los Angeles t-shirts. It says Adidas Hoops, Venice Beach. Kind of interesting. $25 for that. To get these for $12.50. It is super soft. Super thin too, but super soft, so not bad. Just got a white t-shirt going for 15 bucks. That's crazy cheap. 15 bucks, pretty soft. So $7.50 just for a white shirt. Yeah, like a long sleeve zip up, 45 for these. Do get that 50%. Thank you for running with us t-shirt. What are these going for? $25 for these. That's before the discount. 50% off, pretty much 50% off all the clothes here. If you do suck at math, they do the math for you, which is pretty helpful. But now we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. Now it's all right, hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Not the greatest deals, on sneakers at least. I think the apparel deal's really good, very solid, especially since everything's 50% off. And their apparel, I swear their apparel deals are a little bit better than Nike anyways. I think the base price tends to be cheaper, and then 50% on everything else kind of makes it dope. But the sneakers, man, go to Foot Locker, you guys. Go to Foot Locker, go to Champs. They got better deals on the Ultra Boost. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Definitely appreciate you guys making it to the end. Make sure you help your boy out, press that like button. Click on that subscribe button and that notification bell if you guys are new to the channel. And yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.